Next program we're gonna see is leap year. I'm going to take a variable called year and I'm going to assign a value called 2000. This is the year which we are going to check whether it's a leap year or not. Now I'm going to use a condition called if. I'm going to check whether this year, which is 2000, is give the remainder of 0 or not for 400. If it is divisible by 400 and it should, the remainder should be 0, or year modulo. Again, I'm going to divide this number with 4 and it should give the remainder as a 0, because the leap year which comes under every 4 years, which means like for now the year having a 360 days, it should be considered as a leap year. So this one, either this condition should be satisfied or this condition should be satisfied, but this condition should not be satisfied. Why? Because I will explain you later. I'm going to print leap year. Before that, I'm going to use that format and I'm going to use this is a placeholder. I'm going to declare that this variable. I'm just copying and paste inside the placeholder. It will display the value, whatever the value we assign to year, it should be displayed during the runtime in the console. Here, this is a leap year. Okay. Now I'm going to, else it should not be a leap year. Okay, so I'm going to run this program. You can see this is a leap year, and if I'm giving, you can see I'm going to explain this scenario like whenever sometimes if I'm giving equal, I'm going to declare whether this 2100 is a leap year or not. I'm going to give, it is also considered as a leap year. Year is being divisible with 100, it should not be give that value, remainder should not be 0. Now I'm going to run this. This is not actually 2100 is not a leap year actually. This is the final result. And you can check whatever the year you want to check, you can give. Just for example, I'm going to give 1996. It's a leap year or not. I'm going to run. You can see this is a leap year. I'm going to give this 1997. It's not a leap year. This is how we are going to check this leap year or not. It's a simple program.